Hi guys! Happy Thursday! You are never going to guess what I have. What do you think's in my hands? Money! More money I found in my pocket today. I wonder if this is going to be enough for a Dr. Pepper. So I'm sure going to want a Dr. Pepper later. Let's go see what else we're doing today, and then we'll come back and count my money. So today we will determine the value of a collection of unlike coins. How? We will use place value blocks, a 100 chart, and skip counting to find the total value of a collection of coins. Why? It's important to be able to count money correctly. Remember a cent? Say cent. It's equal to 1/100th of a dollar. That's an amount of money that is less than a dollar. Less than, smaller. Say penny. It is a copper coin that's round and worth 1 cent. Say dime. It is the silver-colored coin that has Franklin D. Roosevelt's face on the front and is worth 10 cents. 10 cents. Say nickel. A nickel is the round silver coin with Thomas Jefferson's face. The old nickel has the side of his face. The new nickel is the front of his face. And a nickel is worth 5 cents. A collection is a group of like or unlike objects, such as marbles, books, or cars. The value of something is the total amount something is worth in money. For example, 25 cents, $3.99, and then you have 4 pennies is worth 4 cents. The value of 4 pennies is 4 cents. So today we're going to continue counting a group of unlike coins. Remember, we have to start with the largest value. How much is 1 dime? 10 cents. Very good. How much is 2 dimes? Excellent. Good job. What about 3 dimes? 30 cents. 4 dimes? 40 cents. 5 dimes? 50 cents. Now, since we have another dime, what comes after 50? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And after 60, there's another dime. 70. Oh my goodness, there's another dime. We're still counting by tens. 70, 80. Very good. Now, wow, wait a minute. We have 2 nickels. What can we do with 2 nickels? That's right. It makes 1 dime. But right here, we're going to write the value underneath of each one. So we're going to have to count on 5 more from 80. So if we're at 80 and we're counting by 5s, we're 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Now we're still counting by 5s because we have another nickel. So 5 more than 85. 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Now we have our pennies. How much are our pennies worth? 1 cent. Well, if we're at 90 and we count ahead 1 space, that's 91. What about 2 pennies? 92. Now we have 3 pennies. 93 cents. Very good. So now we are going to, we are going to use our place value blocks to count our coins. Okay, so 1 dime is the same as 10. And then you have another dime, that's another 10. And another 10. And another 10. And another 10. and another 10, and another 10, and another 10. All right, now we have 2 nickels. We're going to put the units under the nickels. So 1 nickel is 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another nickel. 5 more units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have a penny, so that just gets 1 unit. The next penny gets 1 unit, and the next penny gets 1 unit. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 longs. Here we had the 2 nickels. Remember, we can make those 2 nickels 1 long. And we can also use our 100 chart to count the money. So let's start with 10 because we start with dimes, and dimes we count by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now we have to move up 5 more. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Now we have 5 more. 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Now we have 3 more. 91, 92, 93. 93 cents. All right, let's go count my money and see if I have enough money for a Dr. Pepper. Ready? So first, the first thing I have to do is put the coin with the largest value first. That's going to be my dimes. How much is a dime? What is the value of a dime? 10 cents. Very good. So then the next value, the next coin with the highest value would be a nickel. How much is a nickel? 5 cents. Excellent. Now, the coin with the least value is the penny. How much is a penny worth? 1 cent. Phenomenal. All right, so we're going to start right here with our largest value. And we're going to count by what? Tens, because that is a dime. All right, so count with me. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. Now let's look at the nickels. We have to count by 5s, or we can make these 2 nickels a 10. 2 nickels make 1 10. So that's going to be 50. What about these 2 nickels? Can that make a 10? Yes. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Very good. Now we have 2 more nickels sneaking way down here at the end. So I can count those 2 as 110. 50, 60, 70. All right. Now let's count how many pennies we have. We're going to have to count them by 1s, starting with 70. So 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. 75 cents. And wouldn't you know it, Dr. Peppers are 75 cents. Woohoo, it's my lucky day. Now let's use our place value blocks to count the coins. So a dime is a 10. There's a 10. 10. 10. 10. Oh, remember our 2 nickels? That makes a 10. 2 nickels makes a 10. And 2 nickels makes a 10. Now, let's see about these pennies. Pennies are worth 1 cent. So we are going to put units. A unit is worth 1. This is 1, this is 1, this is 1, and this is 1. Now let's count. How many longs did I use? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 tens. And how many ones do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 75 cents. You guys are awesome. I so appreciate your help. Anytime you want to come help me count some money, you are more than welcome. Let's go take a peek at your assignment and see what you have to do today. So for your assignment today, you're going to write the amount counting on, draw the base 10 blocks to find the total of the collection of coins, and then save and turn in to your teacher. So let's count our coins. We have 1 dime, that's how much? 10 cents. 2 dimes? 20 cents. Now we have some nickels. All right, so do these 2 make a 10? Yep, they do. So we're going to write 30 cents. Do these 2 make a 10? Yes, they do. 40 cents. Do these 2 make a 10? Yes, so that's 50 cents. Now we have a penny. 50 plus 1 cent. 51. 52. 53. 54. And 55. All right, so that's 55 cents. Let's count, let's draw our place value blocks for our dimes. We have 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have how many ones? How many units are we going to draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many tens do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ones do we have? 5. So now we have 55 cents in all. All right, everybody got that? Good. So then you're going to do the same thing with the next page. You're going to count your dimes and nickels and pennies and draw your place value blocks. Then you have 10 minutes of extra math, 10 minutes of iStation, and 2 of our fabulous Jack Hartman videos. What did you learn today? That a cent is equal to 1/100th of a dollar. That's an amount of money that is less than $1. That a penny is round, it's copper with Abraham Lincoln, and it's worth 1 cent. A dime has Franklin D. Roosevelt's face on it. It is a small silver coin that's worth 10 cents. That a nickel is silver and round with Thomas Jefferson's face. That's worth 5 cents. You learned that a collection is a group of like or unlike objects, such as marbles, books, or cars. And that the value is the total amount something is worth in money. So the value of this is 25 cents. The value of this is $3.99. The value of 4 pennies is 4 cents. Then you learned that you're using place value blocks to count by tens and ones to count the money. And we use the hundreds chart to count by tens and ones to count the coins, the nickels, the dimes, and the pennies. So that's all I have for today. I'm off to go get my Dr. Pepper. Bye.